How about this drop top here at Unique Specialty and Classics? It's a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. Era correct 327 V8 underneath the hood. And this is originally a V8 car that's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, power top. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take your time looking through this car, see the undersides, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This is a C paint code, so ermine white is the original color of this car, with the turquoise custom buckets for the interior. 779 trim code. Paint shows its age a little bit. There's a few kind of specks, and I don't even know if I can get them to show up. They're very, very fine in some of the paint on the hood. Didn't notice it really in a lot of other areas. Just a little spot on the front of the hood. Riding on American Racing torque thrust style polished wheels. Cooper Cobra radials. You can see up and down the passenger side appears to be free of really any major nicks, dings, or scratches. It's a car you can get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, any of your local shows. Original bucket seat car too, with center console. Power top is in working order, and we'll bring that top up here at the end, let you check out the convertible top. It's white vinyl, it's in good shape. There's also a parade boot that will be in the trunk of it. I will include that with the car. There's a Camaro white book, service manual, and miscellaneous receipts that will also go with this. Those receipts, I can tell you what some of them are for in there. New shocks in 2023, alternator, starter, thermostat and coolant, fuel pump, carpeting, all done in 2022. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just a bit of pitting in that one area, kind of on the ends of the rear bumper. We're going to start it up, let you check out the engine bay here too in just a second. We'll take a little closer look at the interior. First, let's go from the rear to the front on the driver's side. And there's a few spots, see if I can find them, just real small ones. Maybe there's been a little bit of touch up paint, but again, it's being pretty fussy. Door panels look good. You'll be able to see the carpeting too underneath the floor mats and the still pictures. Seats showing very little signs of wear. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Did have the wipers working, did not get the radio to power up. Starts easily. Take a look at the dash. And nothing crazy over the top for wild cam or loud exhaust, anything like that. Just a nice sounding 327. Door closes nicely. I did notice in the trunk, cocktail shakers intact back there. Of course, in the convertibles for rigidity. There you can hear that V8. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this 1 second, and let's get this hood open and check out that engine bay. Take a look at the underside of the hood. I mentioned the cocktail shakers in the rear. They are also in the front, so at all four corners, like they should be. Again, error correct. 327 MM suffix code. Power steering, power brakes. Also a battery disconnect here. So there's no. Nice, tidy, clean looking engine bay. All right, now for the convertible top, and we'll wrap this video up. Let me get it up and we'll check it out. And here's the top up. So again, power top, white vinyl. Seems to be free of any real wear spots or anything. Holes, rips, tears. Looks good. Rear window nice and clear. That is plastic, but very nice and tight. Good fit. And passenger side, also free of any wear, rips, tears, holes. Nice fit above the windshield. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a white with a kind of a teal colored interior. It's a convertible. Very nice condition. Starts up like a new car and idles. It's quiet, factory sound. We have a fuel gauge that is showing full. The speedometer appears to work perfectly. Mostly we have indicating lights beyond that. There aren't gauges beyond that. Blower motor does work, the radio does not work. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry and we do wash our cars, so we can do these driving videos for you. Let's get some speed here and see how she feels. Really good running car. Maybe a flat spot in the tire causing a little bit of jiggle on one of the tires maybe. It's nice, smooth down the road otherwise. Don't feel any pull in either direction. Get to the straightaway, feels nice and straight. Very smooth. This car is comfortable. Easy to drive. It's an automatic on the center console. Our wipers also work. The odometer says 14,368 miles, and I don't know if that's correct, but it feels like it is. It feels like a low mile car. Definitely want to check this out if you like Camaros. You're looking for a convertible, this is a great car for you at uniqueclassiccars.com.